Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we mute Infinix phone. Friends, you want to mute your Infinix phone, so how can you mute? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we mute guys Infinix mobile. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, then we will click on search bar option and we will search here guys mute. So friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting guys, tap here, then guys scroll it. Then you can see guys there is no any mute option setting guys. You can see guys all setting, but guys we don't have any mute setting. So friends, you can see guys your infinite soon guys this prevent ringing shortcut setting guys, tap here guys. Then guys you can see guys your, so first of all guys we will on guys this prevent ringing, then guys we can mute our infinix phone. So you can see mute option guys, we will tap on mute. So friends, you can see guys your mute is on, means your phone is mute. So like that guys we can on guys phone mute setting, means guys we can mute our infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.